Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll talk about some various option key secrets. So let's get started. So basically guys, option key is a special key which can access you to the various shortcuts. So hold down the option key and press a letter key to type accented letters. For example, option plus E, then E again. It will pronounce some accented letters. You can also use the currency symbols using option. You can use option plus 4 and produces the currency symbol for the reason you have set in your keyboard preferences. There are many more other features of the options, like you can create a duplicate files by using option plus command plus D. You can close all windows of your Mac screen using option plus command plus W. You can close all apps from your MacBook using option plus command plus Q. You can also reload with without cache option available using option plus command plus R. You can delete whole words using option plus delete. You can find the finder shortcuts using the command plus option plus I. So option key secrets can significantly streamline your workflow and make navigating your Mac more efficient. Experiment with these shortcuts to discover which ones are most useful for your daily tasks. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.